how to unhide apps on iOS 18. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unhide apps on your iPhone running iOS 18. For instance, I have Instagram hidden, so you can't see it on my home screen. I'll walk you through the steps to bring it back. Let's get started. First, scroll through your home screens and go all the way to the end until you reach the app library. In the app library, you'll see various folders. Scroll to the very last folder at the bottom, labeled Hidden. This folder is protected by Face ID, so it will require a face scan to open. Tap on the hidden folder and authenticate with Face ID. Once inside, you'll see all your hidden apps. Currently, I only have Instagram, but if there were more, they'd all be here. Long press on the app you want to unhide and select Don't require Face ID. Face ID will scan again, and now the app will be unhidden. To locate the app, you can use search. Just type in the app name like Instagram. When it appears, long press on it and select Add to Home Screen. Place it back wherever you want on your home screen. That's all for the video.